Recipe I'm going to make today is kadubu. So in a mixing bowl I have added in rice flour, maida, salt, ghee and hot water. I have combined it all and made a dough and made them into smaller doughs like this. Okay, and now I am coating the each small dough with maida and I will begin to flatten it a bit, that's all, like this. I have added maida so that it will give a better shape to the dough, otherwise just with rice flour the dough tends to break. So that is the reason I have added in a little bit of maida and it is really helpful. So I take a plate like this which has a round shape and I press it and I make it a rounder shape like this. Now I just dip my finger in the water and along the border of the flat dough I just apply water like this. Now I'm adding in the filling. The filling is just desiccated coconut, sugar and 1 teaspoon of KEWRA water. As I said, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Check them out. And I carefully close the dough like this from top to the bottom and slightly press the edges like this so that the edges get sealed well. Now it's time to make the design at the edges. Now I dip a fork into the maida like this, okay? Just coating the fork with maida, that's it. And I make the design just like this by just placing the fork along the edge of the kadubu. So it gives that design. Now I'm going to steam in the rice cooker. I just fill the vessel with water, place the steamer cap on top and drizzle the base of the steamer vessel with oil so that the kadubus do not stick to the base of the vessel after they are getting steamed. So this is a useful hack. You can use it while preparing the kadubu like this. Also, I place the kadubu on this. Before that, I apply oil on the bottom side of the kadubu and I place them on the vessel like this so that they do not stick. So the bottom face down is the side where I have applied the oil and I place the kadubu like this. I do not place them over each other, otherwise they tend to stick. And I close the lid and I allow this to steam for about 10 minutes. So turn off the switch and allow them to rest for about 5 minutes. So your kadubu is steamed. So why I recommend to add maida in the dough is to get a better shape, otherwise they tend to break if you just use rice flour in them. So see how the kadubus have come out very well here. And the best part is none of them were broken at the other end. So a few hacks like applying oil on the kadubu bottom side down and on the vessel can really help in not getting the stickiness of the kadubu inside the vessel. It will easily come out. And also adding the maida into the dough will also help to get a better shape. So these are small useful tips that is useful to get a perfect recipe like this. So see, you can see that the none of the kadubu is broken at the bottom like this. Okay. So this is a famous dish done specially for Ganesh Chaturthi. We keep this dish as Naivedyam for Lord Ganesha. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until then, I will see you then. Bye.